Hello my dear students, how are you today? My name is Gulmaram, I am your English teacher. Let's begin our lesson. Please watch the video and try to guess what are we going to talk about.
Step 3. Watch animals. Birds often take flight when they expect fair weather. Cows like to lie down when a storm is coming, and ants build up their hills just before rain comes.
Let's learn some new words that can be useful to predict the weather. Fortune teller, fortune teller. A person who tells you what they think will happen to you in the future. For example, she wanted me to visit a fortune teller. Wizard, wizard. A man who is believed to have magical powers and who uses them to harm or to help other people. For example, he was a wizard with camels. Omen, omen. Something that is considered to be a sign of how a future event will take place. For example, many people believe that a broken mirror is an omen of bad luck. Chimney, chimney. A hollow structure that allows the smoke from the fire inside a building to escape to the air outside. For example, thick black smoke was pouring out of the chimney. Stormy, stormy. With strong wind, heavy rain, and often thunder and lightning. For example, the sky was dark and stormy. Wet, wet. Covered in water or another liquid, used to describe weather or periods of time when rain falls. For example, my bike got wet in the rain. Windy, windy. With a lot of wind. For example, it was wet and windy for most of the week. Sign, sign. A notice giving an information, direction, and a warning. For example, there was a sign of no smoking. Barometer, barometer. A device that measures the air pressure, which shows when the weather is likely to change. For example, weather of the day was recorded using a barometer. Expect, expect. To think or believe something will happen or someone will arrive. For example, we are expecting a lot of applicants for the job. Hill, hill. An area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. For example, hills are not as high as mountains. Ant, ant. A very small insect that lives under the ground in a large and well-organized social groups. For example, we have got ants in our kitchen. Fear, fear. An unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you are frightened or worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen. For example, I have a fear of heights. Now students, we have vocabulary quiz. You have given the question and you have to find the answer. Let's start. A person who can use magic. A wizard, fortune teller, or chimney? You have 10 seconds to think. Let's check. You're right. The answer is wizard. A very small animal that lives under the ground in a large social groups. Wet, ant, or windy. You have 10 seconds to think. Let's check together. Yes, students, you're right. It's ant. A person who can tell you about the future events. Wizard, fortune teller, or chimney. Let's check together. Yes, students, it's fortune teller. It's above your house roof. Usually smoke goes out. Prediction, chimney, or stormy. You have 10 seconds to think. Let's check. Well done, it's chimney. Something that is believed to be a sign or warning that will happen in the future. Wizard, wet, or man. Let's check. Great, it's Omen. They saw the picture of no parking. Wizard, sign, or stormy. Let's check the answer. Yes, students, it's sign. There is a lot of rain every day. The city is barometer, wet, or stormy. Yeah, you're great. It's wet. You cannot go out. It's cold and wind is blowing. Wizard, barometer, or stormy. Let's check together. Well done, students. It's stormy. It's smaller than a mountain. Hill, ant, or barometer. Let's check the answer. Yes, students, it's hill. It's a scientific instrument that used to know the weather. Expect and barometer. Let's check the answer. Yeah, you're right. It's barometer. She can't walk alone at night. She has a phobia. Fear, or man, or wet. Let's check together. Well done, guys. It's fear. Now, students, we have one more vocabulary exercise. Let's do it. You have to match each word with a picture. You have 30 seconds. Let's start. Let's check together. Fortune teller, it's D. Chimney, it's A. A man, it's B. Wizard, it's C. Windy, it's E. Barometer, it's F. Well done, students. You have also 30 seconds to do this page. Let's check together. Hill, it's S. Ant, it's K. Fair, it's F. Expect, it's T. Sign, it's L. Wet, it's G. Stormy, it's M. You're great, students. Let's pass to the grammar. Today I will explain you the conditional one. It's used for talking about possibilities in the present or in the future. The structure of conditional one, we need if clause. We can use words such as if, when, or as soon as. And then main clause. For example, in a positive sentence, if dog eats grass, it will rain. So here we can see some possibilities that may happen in the future. Or in a negative sentence, when cat runs, it won't be cold. It's a negative sentence, it won't be cold. So here also some possibilities. And we use present simple tense in if clause, future simple tense in a main clause. Let's practice. Your task is underline the correct verb forms. You have 30 seconds. Let's check together. The first is will be, because it's main clause. In a main clause we always use future simple. The second, it's fly. It's present simple, so it's if clause. And third, it won't match. It's also main clause. Number 4, it's have. Here it's if clause and present simple tense. Then 5, get up. Also if clause, present simple tense. Number 6, present simple tense, finished, if clause. Number 7, will be, future tense, main clause. Number 8, washed, present simple tense, if clause. Well done, students. And do you know how the things and animals in the pictures can help you to predict the weather? For example, dog, or chimney, or cow. We have reading passage. Let's read the text and check your ideas. You have 1 minute to read. Did you find your answers? Now, we will do the exercise. Your task is match the sentence from the text with the pictures. You have 20 seconds. Let's check together. Number 1. When smoke from chimney goes up, the weather will be stormy. It's E. If you see the rainbow in the morning, there will be the storm within 24 hours. If you see a rainbow in the morning, there will be the storm within 24 hours. So it's A. If a cat washes over her ear, the weather will be fine. It's C. When a dog eats grass, rain will come very soon. It's D. If cows lay down on their fields, it will rain. So it's B. Great. You're great, students. Please, students, read the text and complete the sentence. You have 1 minute to read. Let's complete the sentence from the text within the following words. You have 30 seconds. Let's check together. If you see a rainbow in the morning, there will be a storm. If cows lay down on their fields, it will rain. If smoke from the chimney goes up, the weather will be stormy. The weather will be fine if cat washes over her ear. When a dog eats grass, rain will come very soon. Well done, students. Please watch the video and answer true-false statements. You have 1 minute. Let's check together. Number 1. You can't predict the weather without barometer. It's false. If clouds move opposite side, soon will be bad weather. It's true. If there are dark clouds, it will be rain soon. It's true. If birds often fly, weather will be good. It's false. If cow lays down, it will be storm. It's true. If ants build up their hills, rain will come very soon. It's true. Well done, students. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class.